If you're interested in upgrading to a paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code Partner25Pro yearly to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. To add a carousel in your Framer, click the Insert and go to Interactions. Drag the carousel and then go back to Insert, then add a image. You can add as many as you want, but in this case, I'm just going to add a tree image. After that, upload an image from your computer by clicking Choose Image. And that's it. That's how you add carousel in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.